Now when you see this lower third logo, specified domain, that is my website where you can go to grab your website domain name. The most valuable asset you can have on the internet today. You can redirect that name to social media such as Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I have mine going to YouTube. That's one of my domain names goes to YouTube. I've got several. Now the way a domain name works, you lease it for a year. You can get it for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. As long as you maintain paying for that lease for that period of time, that name will belong to you. And that's the way it works. If you can get on my good side, possibly I could get you a discount. But lots of luck there.